If you're tired of getting those contact join Telegram notifications every time someone in your address book signs up, you're definitely not alone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to turn off these automatic alerts for good. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage this setting and reclaim a little peace and quiet from your phone. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Telegram app on your phone. If you're already staring at the home screen, simply tap the Telegram icon as you normally would. The reason we're starting right in the app is because all notification preferences are handled within Telegram itself. No need to hunt through your phone's general notification settings. Telegram gives you a pretty good level of control, so we want to make sure we're adjusting the right option, right at the source. Once you're inside Telegram, look toward the bottom right of your screen for the Settings tab. It usually looks like a little gear icon, pretty universal, but if you're on Android it may be in the sidebar menu, so just swipe from the left if you don't see it immediately. Tap on Settings to open up the menu. Now you'll see a bunch of options for customizing your Telegram experience. What we're after is the one labeled Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and tap on that. This section is essentially your control panel for incoming alerts from Telegram, everything from new messages to call alerts to, yes, those infamous contact notifications. Now here where a little scrolling comes in. You'll see several categories, but for this particular setting, we're interested in the section called Events. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, just scroll past the message and group notification options. It's usually a little further down the list. Take your time here, sometimes the interface can get a bit crowded depending on which device you have. Once you find the Events section, look for the option labeled Contact Join Telegram. This is the toggle responsible for those notifications popping up whenever someone you know starts using Telegram. By default, Telegram turns this notification on. They want you to know when your contacts come aboard. But for a lot of us, that's more noise than news, so simply tap the toggle to turn it off. You might see it switch from blue to gray, or the slider might move to the left depending on your device. That's your confirmation that it's now disabled. At this point, you're all set. Telegram will no longer send you push notifications every time someone new joins. That means no more surprise alerts throughout the day, and you get to keep your notification bar a little tidier. And don't worry, you can always come back to these settings and turn the feature back on if you change your mind down the road or decide you actually want those updates. So that's all there is to it. It's a simple adjustment, but honestly it can make a big difference, especially if you have a large contact list and new people are signing up all the time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments below. I always check and love to help out. And if you want more practical tech guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy your quieter Telegram experience.